Right place, right time, this is how everyone explains success of other people. But here's what stings. You've been in the right place before. The opportunity came and you hesitated, or didn't even recognize it until it was gone. This rune formula will give you the opportunities and will help you to use them. In the end of the video I will show you how to activate it. The runes are Berkana, Fehu, Soilo. The rune Berkana is the rune of growth. It's related to goddess Frigg and Freya. It's like energy of the nature and energy of the mother who is caring for her child, nurturing and protecting, and also ensuring that the environment is appropriate for growth and development. So this energy, this aspect will be applied to your career and to your work and to your actions on your career path. The rune Fehu is the rune of the material energy. It manifests as money and wealth, so this positive energy will be present in your career. And the rune Soilo is the rune of sun, rune of success, rune of attracting attention and energy to yourself. So together these three runes will ensure success on your career. An appropriate incantation for this rune formula could sound like this: by the power of these runes, I will be successful in my career, so be it. Download my free runes PDF file with rune meanings, rune formulas and rune spreads. The link is in description or on my profile page. Now, how do you activate the rune formula? Draw the runes on a piece of paper, then take a candle in a candle holder, put it on top of your paper, say your incantation, and then light the candle. Let the candle burn down completely. After that, the amulet is activated and ready. For more detailed instructions, get my Rune Magic Quick Start course. It's a short, value-packed video course that will answer all your questions and enable you to start doing rune magic today.